Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix windescribe.exe system error on Windows Server. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows Server, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is right click on taskbar. Click here task manager option. After that guys, click here show more option and click here file and click here run new task. So guys, type here appwiz.cpl and check this checkbox and click here OK button. Okay, and after that click here turn Windows feature on or off. Click here, close this window and after that click here next button. If this option is not displayed, click here add role and feature option. Click here next. No change here and click here next button. No change here this window and click here next button. And after that guys, select these 3.5 framework and 4.7 framework. These two frameworks should be installed on your machine. And after that scroll down. Okay, these two and select here wireless LAN service. Check this checkbox and click here next button. After that guys, click here install button and wait for installation complete. After that close this window. Click here close button. After installed complete here, close this window and restart your system. Right click on it and click here restart. Continue. After login on again on your Windows server, click here start button and after that click here Windows PowerShell. Okay, and type here two command. There are two command. The first command is this, second is this, and click here copy this command and right click on it and paste. Press enter from keyboard. Okay, after that copy second command and press enter from keyboard. After that guys, restart your Windows server. Okay, you must restart the server to finish the installation process. Close this window and restart your Windows server. Continue. Login again on your Windows server and check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.